India vs England 2026. First ODI match. Schedule and both team playing 11. Schedule. First ODI match. Date 14 July 2026. Time 3:30 PM Indian Standard Time. Venue Edgbaston, Birmingham. England team playing 11. Number 1 Josh Butler. Number 2 Ben Duckett. Number 3 Joe Root. Number 4 Jacob Bethel. Number 5 Harry Brook. Number 6 Will Jacks. Number 7 Sam Curran. Number 8 Jofra Archer. Number 9 Adil Rashid. Number 10 Josh Tonge. Number 11 Rehan Ahmed. Team India playing 11. Number 1 Shubman Gill. Number 2 Rohit Sharma. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 KL Rahul. Number 6 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 9 Prasiddha Krishna. Number 10 Harshit Rana. Number 11 Jasprit Bumrah.